Life is full of surprises. While we can't predict what's ahead, one thing we can do is prepare, so our loved ones are always protected. But what if I told you there was a way to build wealth while also providing that protection? That's where whole life insurance comes in. Whole life insurance isn't just about a death benefit. It's about creating financial security for you and your family, both now and in the future. Think of it this way. You're building a financial foundation that can grow with you, like planting a tree that will only get stronger as time goes on. One of the biggest advantages of whole life insurance is the cash value that grows over time. Unlike term life insurance, which only provides a death benefit, whole life insurance builds cash value that you can access during your lifetime. Let's talk about infinite banking. With a whole life policy, you can borrow against the cash value to fund major life expenses, like buying a home, paying for college tuition, or even starting a business, without relying on traditional banks. Imagine being in control of your own banking system. By borrowing from your policy, you can access the funds you need while continuing to let your cash value grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. Compound interest means that your money isn't just earning interest on the original amount you put in, it's also earning interest on the interest itself. This creates exponential growth, which adds up over time. All of this growth is tax-free. You won't pay taxes on the growth of your policy's cash value, and you won't pay taxes on the death benefit your beneficiaries receive. Imagine being able to pass on more than just memories to your family. You can pass on a legacy. Your policy not only protects them if the unexpected happens, but it also helps them build their future with the tax-free benefits you've secured. Whole life insurance is more than just coverage. It's an opportunity. It's a way for you to build wealth, protect your family, and create a legacy that lasts. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell for more great content. Stay safe and take care.